Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your plants grow bigger in Plants vs. Brain Rot. So it is by luck, I guess, if you want a big plant. I think this one's the biggest plant that I have. But even like one of these smaller ones, like this mango, has more damage per second than this big one. But it is helpful to have really big plants. So if you want big plants, you need luck. So it says 10 times luck in how many ever like points. I don't really know. But right now there's 7.5 chance like luck. So you're going to want to kind of plant your seed when there's luck. It doesn't really matter if you use a water bucket. It's going to grow the same. But again, what you'll need is luck. I think you have like luck potion that you can use as well. From gears here, you can like claim some lucky potions so that your plants will grow bigger. But those are just that's just my tip on how you can grow bigger plants in Plants versus Brain Rot. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.